Continuing with the resources that was added earlier, in the teachers practice area, now let's see how do we add activities. Activity is something that a student will do to interact with other students as well as with the teachers. So in my topic 3, to add activities, once again, I need to click on turn editing on. A book and URL were the two resources that I had added earlier. Now to add an activity, I need to click on add an activity, and the first activity that I would like to add is forum, as it enables the participants to have discussions. Click on add, and I can have this forum discussion on child's behavior, and one can start with the discussion. Click on save and return to the course. It's showing here. Another activity that I would like to add is checklist. Checklist is basically to-do list. Click on save and return to the course. Yeah, it shows here. Similarly, one can keep on adding all those activities which are relevant for the course. Click on add, and then it will appear on the teacher's practice area. Thank you.